Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Richmond's place. Today's a big day. This morning I forgot to bring the camera with me, and I wanted to take the camera and show you. We went to TSC. They had a swap meet in Owasso, Michigan. And there we went there with the intentions of buying a rooster. We ended up getting a rooster, 2 hens, and then my son wanted to pick up a couple rabbits for his son, our grandson Jax. So we're going to unload them. We're going to show you what they look like. We've already set up the rabbit cages. We got to get the food dishes in them, the water bottles in them, but we've already got this started. These are the rabbit cages. We actually bought these last year with the intentions of getting rabbits, and we didn't do it. We were going to trap them and start saving them, and we didn't do that either. So yesterday we worked hard on this coop. I've got, I don't know, like 4 more patio blocks to go, and then the bottom's all going to be cemented in. I threw some dirt and stuff on top because chickens just didn't like the cement. So I'll show you here. And we got that little back section in the corner to take care of. That's going to keep the mice out of here for the most part. Alright, we're unloading them. Here come the bunnies.
No, here comes the chickens.
Oh, the chickens.
These ones are the chickens.
Okay. There's the first rabbit.
You want to take him over there?
Yeah. Go ahead. Yep.
Show it to the camera. No, he's like, forget it. He's like, no, you ain't touching me now. You got me out of the body? Look how cute they are. Hopefully my girls will be happy with a new rooster.
Top.
The top one.
Yeah, that's fine.
Bring me the... Oh, here. Stand by the door for a second.
Where we let them go.
This is where we let him go. Hi. This is your new home. You can jump out. You want to jump out? Hey. We're here. We're home. Come on.
Go ahead and pick them up.
chickens already. He's like, let me check this place out. He jumped right in there.
Yeah, you can see a whole bunch of chickens running out of there.
He's jumping in there. He's like, let me tell you who's boss now. This new Homestead town.
We have a new sheriff in town. That's what we're gonna call him, the sheriff.
Yeah. So well, according to this, it's not supposed to be raining, it's just drizzling, I guess. Oh, it's supposed to rain at 7, between 7 and 9. So we got to keep checking so that they don't get rained on, okay? We'll have to put them either in there or out in the pole barn, one or the other.
What do you think of our newest additions to our homestead? Pretty cool. Probably should have introduced the chickens and the rooster when it was dark. I've read that that's better. We've introduced chickens before. At this time, hasn't been that big of a deal. They're a little rough on each other at first, but they get through it. Then we got our rabbits. Those rabbits are Jax's rabbits. We bought them for his birthday. And I think he's really going to like it when he sees them. He doesn't know he's getting them yet. Tuesday is a big surprise when he comes here. We'll show him the rabbits that he's getting for his birthday. And obviously he's got to want to hold those rabbits. The chickens are a funny thing. You know, they don't like it, but you know, they try to decide who's boss, and really there's two bosses. One is the rooster, and then there's me. So they'll get through it. A little help. I think we're gonna wrap this video up for the day. It's been pretty cool with the addition of the new rooster, the sheriff, and a couple new hens. The addition of the floppy-eared rabbits. Don't know what Jax is gonna name them. I'm sure he's gonna come up with something interesting, and I know he'll be happy to have them. This will give him some responsibility. It'll be his job to take care of the rabbits when he's here. So we look forward to that. We look forward to working with him and teaching him, and him having some responsibility. So I think every child, I wish I had, had this when my kids were younger. I could have shared this with them. Now I'm doing it with my grandchildren. So anyhow, have an amazing day. God bless. Please subscribe, like this video, share this video with people. It's important. It helps us. It's going to help getting our channel off. So like, subscribe, share. Thank you. God bless, and have a great day. Bye-bye.